Hello children, welcome back to our English lecture. Standard 6. In previous lecture, we completed the explanation for the topics nouns, kinds of nouns, nouns gender and nouns number. Today, let's take the exercises for these topics. So let's begin. Now see the exercise from page number 13 and 14. In your textbook, you have to see. With the videos, you have to open your textbook and check out. Page number 13 and 14, exercise related to kinds of nouns given. We already completed the kinds of nouns. So proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. All these given on page number 13. So page number 12, look the page number 12, exercise number 1. Pick out the nouns. You have to pick out in each sentence which type it is noun. Whether it is proper, common, collective, material or abstract. And you have to mention there. That you have to solve yourself. First you have to solve in textbook and then in notebook. Remember. Then downside, exercise number 2. Unscramble the words in the box. Unscramble you studied in English marathon. Opposite words. You have to make it correct and write it. That you have to use the here as a collective nouns. So that answers are given here. You have to solve in textbook and in notebook. Then page number 14. Change these words into abstract noun by adding suffix. In some cases, you may have to change the spelling of the words. Now, you know the abstract noun means quality. An abstract noun, how it's ready, how the word start, abstract noun, all, you have to use the suffix, prefix, suffix, you know. Yes. So, in suffix, what we are doing? We are adding, yes, afterwards, N-E-S-S, L-Y, whatever words require that we are adding. So, with that, abstract noun you are getting. For example, happy, happiness, free, freedom. Like that way, you have to make these words. Answers are given, you have to complete it. Next take the topic nouns gender in textbook. We already completed masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. 4 genders we studied. That 4 genders exercises are there. Page number 22 given. See here. That you have to complete. Page number 23 also given. In a sentence, red color words it is given. That you have to change it in a gender. Masculine given, then feminine gender you have to change it and complete the sentence. All this exercise first you have to write down in textbook, then you have to write neatly and correctly in your notebook. Exercise 3 it is replace the masculine and feminine gender with their corresponding common gender. Masculine gender given, feminine gender given, that you have to complete in a common gender. Here answers given are. My father and mother are happy with my performance. So my father and mother, what you have to write there? Parents are happy with my. Like this here answers all given. In common gender you have to make. Masculine, feminine gender. Common means you know. Common noun. Yes. That is the exercises of page number 20 to 20. And page number 24. Circle the nouns in the neuter gender. Circle the nouns in the neuter gender. Same it is. After the 3 exercise, 4th exercise also given in that slide only, you have to complete it. Neuter gender means non-living things. That you have to find out and circle it. You have to make the column in your notebook. In textbook, you have to circle. Then nouns number. lesson number 5 in your textbook, nouns number given. It means, number means singular noun and plural noun. Do you know the singular and plural? Yes, in standard 5th also, I only taught you what is a singular and what is a plural. Singular means one thing and plural means more than one thing. There are many rules are there how to change the singular noun into plural noun. In your textbook, page number 16, all the rules here given. That rules you have to read it and understand. Now I am not going to explain you because it is already completed. This chapter we are studying from first standard. So you have to remember all the rules. You have to read the rules of this page number 16, and all these rules you have to copy down in your notebook properly, and then you have to solve this exercise given on page number 70. How to change the singular into plural? You have to add es, ies, ves, when to add, how to add, all I explain you. You have to remember it, you have to see it here in your textbook, and then page number 17 you have to solve. Understood everyone? Now tell me, if the singular noun end with O, then you have to, what you have to use, how to make it plural. For example, potato, zero, mango, volcano given, like this singular noun words given. Then after O, you have to add easily only es and complete the plural form. If there is a singular leaf, L-E-A-F, yes, then you have to cut the F. And instead of F, what you have to add there? VES, yes. Like this, many rules are here given. Some singular nouns remain same in plural. Some plural nouns are remaining same in singular. For example, scissors, furniture, spectacles, etc. When there is a pair, noun ka pair, then it remains same. So through all these rules, you have to read it, write it, and then you have to solve the exercise in textbook on page number 17, then notebook. Again on page number 18, some more singular forms and plural forms given that you have to read it yourself. Now you know how to read and how to understand. Some more extra singular and plural given. Last year in our scholarship also we learned many singular and plural. Same here given that you have to do it yourself. And with that, you have to solve page number 19 yourself. First in textbook you have to do, and then in notebook. You have to make the all singular nouns into plural form. You have to do yourself. I not given these answers. You have to do yourself. Then exercise from page number 20 and 21 I given here answers. On page number 20, whether the highlighted nouns are countable or uncountable. We completed what is a countable and uncountable. Countable noun means which you can count it easily. That is called countable nouns. Uncountable nouns which you cannot count. So here highlighted words means red color given, that you have to see it and write it whether it is a countable and uncountable. I answers given. Next, page number 21, match the columns given. I answers given, you have to write down in textbook and notebook. With this, we completed this lessons exercises. Nouns, kinds of nouns, nouns number and nouns gender.